What does vitamin C do for your skin? Vitamin C serum has long been used by professionals to improve the look and texture of skin. Rich in antioxidants, it lightens dark spots and brightens the overall complexion, while repairing damage from the sun and environment. What is different about our products? Our products are natural, safe, and gentle for the most sensitive skin, not tested on animals, and providing you the most effective products available. Manufactured in the US and strictly regulated for quality. No risk, money back guarantee. No risk. If you don't love our products, just ask for a refund and we'll gladly give you your money back. Customer testimonials. I've been using this serum for about a month now. I have really bad sun damage on my cheekbones from spending my teen years at the pool. I am amazed by this product. My actual skin texture has changed and is almost perfectly smooth. It no longer looks rough under my foundation, and the redness also appears to be fading. I already use the serum along with the moisturizer, which is also amazing, and I can't wait to try the facial cleanser next. Iamthemomma. What a lightweight and easily absorbed serum. I feel like I am nourishing my skin with every application. I use this with the White and Lea Moisturizer and can't imagine changing, as this skincare routine is so easy, feels wonderful, and leaves my skin looking its best. Can't beat the great value either. Denice. Huge difference in texture and appearance. Great product. K_shave vitamin C. This powerhouse ingredient is a potent antioxidant that helps reduce skin inflammation, irregular pigmentation, and promotes healthy collagen production. Joshua Zeichner, the Director of Clinical Research at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York City. Vitamin C serum, with aloe, is recommended as one of the top most important skincare products for daily use to achieve a younger appearance. Natural vitamin C gives a firmer, healthier appearance by protecting against UV rays, brightening and lightening skin. Our formula contains no harsh chemicals, perfect for sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates perfectly, binding moisture to your skin cells, replacing what is lost during aging. Vitamin C helps lighten dark spots, by protecting against oxidative stress, the same reaction that makes an exposed apple turn brown. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.